Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remember preparation of potassium dichromate. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, making it easier to recall the key reactions and conditions. This guide focuses on simplifying the complex chemical transformation, ensuring you grasp the essential elements. By the end, you'll have a clear mental framework for remembering this important chemical synthesis. The journey to potassium dichromate begins with chromite ore, specifically iron chromite. This ore is roasted with sodium carbonate and lime in the presence of air. This crucial initial step converts the iron chromite into sodium chromate, a yellow compound. This transformation is fundamental, setting the stage for subsequent reactions to yield the desired product. Next, the yellow sodium chromate solution is acidified, typically with sulfuric acid. This acidification is key, as it shifts the equilibrium, converting the chromate ions into orange dichromate ions, forming sodium dichromate. Finally, potassium chloride is added to this solution. Due to its lower solubility, potassium dichromate then crystallizes out, completing the preparation. To solidify your memory, focus on the distinct color changes from yellow chromate to orange dichromate. Also, recall the three main stages: initial oxidation, subsequent acidification, and the final precipitation. These steps are crucial for understanding the overall synthesis. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Mastering these points will help you confidently recall the preparation of potassium dichromate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.